Okay guys, you're welcome to another video today. This is Unravel AI channel. As you may know, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and follow us for more exciting updates like this one. Now let's go straight to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make cool cash from Google Trends. Yes, you heard me right, Google Trends, and I'm going to show you how you can do all of that in today's video, so stay tuned. Here I have my Google Trends page. All you need to do is go to your Google browser, search for Google Trends, then open the first thing that comes up, and it's going to show you this particular page. You're going to land at this particular page. I'm also going to drop the link in the description below. So here, when you come here, what you do is you go to your country. To find out trends of what people are really searching for, what is currently happening in your country, or you can also search for what is happening in other countries. In this place, it is currently set at United States, and this is it. And I'm going to go to trending now. Now, these are all the things trending in United States of America in the past 24 hours. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to leave this in the past 24 hours. You have some other options in the past 4 hours, in the past 48 hours, and in the past 7 days. But I'm going to leave mine in the past 24 hours. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to choose category. So let me work on autos and vehicles. So there are other categories right here. We have beauty and fashion, business and finance, climate, entertainment, food and drinks, games, and so on, including health. So these are all the categories and even more which you can find on Google Trend. So depending on which one you are working on, you can pick any one out of this. But for me, for the sake of this video and for individual preference, I'll go for auto and vehicles. And I'm going to come here and I'm going to sort it by search volume. So when I do this, I can see now that this is what is trending on these autos and vehicles in United States in the past 24 hours, which is Nissan. And it currently has 2,000 plus search volume in the last 12 hours. So we are going to choose this and then we'll scroll down. So you can see at this almost bottom page, you can see related articles that are currently talking on this particular topic. So I'm going to open one right here, which is this one, and this is the title of this article. Nissan wants to end vehicle production at Wuhan plant, sources say. So what are we going to do with this article? What we are going to do with this article, we are going to actually repurpose this article for the sake of video productions that will go viral and you can actually monetize your content. So imagine building a YouTube channel on auto vehicles and you are getting your insights from Google Trends, from what people are really searching. It won't take long to get to monetization. Or on the other hand, imagine having a monetized YouTube account or TikTok account or any social media account, and you are basing your content on what people are really searching about. It means you will even get more views, and more views translates to making more money. Next thing we are going to do is to go to ChatGPT. First, copy the link or the URL to this particular article. Now go to ChatGPT and then enter this particular prompt. Write an article from this link provided. So this is the URL link from the article we just opened, and then we are going to ask ChatGPT to write an article for us. So it's going to repurpose the article and then write something that is more interesting that we can create into videos. So this is the repurposed article from ChatGPT. So we are going to be sure not to copy the references. This is the reference where ChatGPT sourced this particular information from. This is also a reference. You can see all of that. Almost each paragraph has references. So we are going to copy this to Microsoft Word, and then we are going to copy that paragraph by paragraph without the referencing. Let's see what we have in Microsoft Word. So this is how the article is without the referencing. Now we are going to copy the entire of this article to a software where we can turn it to an audio version of it. Now, to turn this text into speech, we are going to use a platform that we call Clipchamp. You can get that in the description below. The link will be pasted there. So when you get to the Clipchamp interface, you log in. I have already logged in, and this is the landing page. So on here, I'm going to click on text to speech. So I'm going to try text to speech, and it will take me to this page. Right, I'm going to click to the bottom and then click on text to speech, and I'm going to paste the article that ChatGPT generated for me right here, and I'm going to click on save. You can come here, you can change the language, you can pick any language of your choice. Right now it's set at English, United States English, and you can also pick a voice of your choice. You can have Adams and all the other voice, but I'll go with this particular voice for the sake of this video. You can explore more voices to see which one matches your preference. The audio is about 2 minutes and 24 seconds, and then the next thing we are going to do, we are to listen to the audio, see if the voice quite meets your requirements, and then if it does, you can click to export. And before I forget, you're actually going to download this as a video file. That is why you are seeing this 480p 720p display resolution. So when we are putting up the video, or when we are trying to put everything up together, we're going to see how we'll separate this audio from this particular video, so we can have just the audio for the rest of the things that we are supposed to do, or that we are going to do. So I'm going to download this as the least resolution because I do not need the video, I only need the audio. So let's wait for this to get downloaded. So gentlemen, this has been downloaded, and then we are going to move on to the next stage, and the next stage is to get clips from social media accounts. We can do that from YouTube, from TikTok, and we can also get videos and images from the URL page of the article we are working on. So to do that, we are going to go back to this particular page. We can get videos and images from articles. However, this particular article did not give us any sort of thing, so the only image that it gave us is this particular one here, but this is not looking so pleasant for me to use to make a video on this particular topic. So we are going to fetch video clips, and to do that, we are going to come here and look out for keywords from this particular article title. We can see Nissan, we can see Wuhan plant, but we'll go for Nissan. With this Nissan, come to YouTube and search for Nissan. Use your filter, select under 4 minutes video, and then Creative Commons to give you this particular kind of videos. From this, download any of these videos that you are going to use for your video production. And to do this, let me quickly show you how you can download these videos from YouTube. Now search for YouTube video downloader and click on this particular link on display, this very first link on display, and then you can get your videos. And final thing for us to do is to go to CapCut, and let's put the audio we've generated and the video clips we have generated together. Let's see how that works out. Let's drag and drop our voiceover, which is this, and drop it here. Remember, this is a video format, so I'm going to right click on this. I'm going to click on extract audio, so the audio is extracted. So I'm going to delete this particular layer right here, so we only have the voiceover left. So I'm going to drag and drop the other videos I downloaded from YouTube. So let me start with this. So let me take a bit of the 3 videos I downloaded. You can download more videos, you can add your transitions and others. So I don't want my entire video to be all of this particular video, so I'm going to reduce this, and I'm going to add this. Let me also trim this right here. Then finally, let me add this. So at this stage, you can make it unique, add your own style, and make the video more appealing to audience. But this is how to make videos from viral topics from Google. Next thing I'll do is to mute all of this. Let me mute all the audios here. I'm going to click on this. I've muted this entire track, and then this is going to return nice content. Let's play and watch.
Nissan Motor Company plans to cease vehicle production at its Wuhan plant in China by March 31, 2026, according to sources familiar with the matter. The decision follows declining operation rates at the plant, which has a capacity of 300,000 vehicles, but has only managed to produce around 10,000 units annually since opening in 2022. The facility, leased from Dongfeng Motor, currently manufactures the Aria electric vehicle and the X-Trail SUV.
So this is it. This is how you can make viral content by utilizing Google Trends. Know that this can actually hit you, make you fast on monetizing your content, thereby allowing you make more money from YouTube or any other platform out there. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Kindly subscribe for more contents like this. Peace.